How to disable duet option for all videos on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on the three lines at the top right. Click on Settings and Privacy. In Settings and Privacy, scroll down to Interactions. In Interactions, you'll find Reuse of Content. Click on it. Then you will find Allow Reuse of Content From, which is managed who can do it. Press on it and then select Friends instead of Everyone. You can also click on the Friends icon and select the friends that can do it, or simply uncheck every friends of yours, or if you don't have any friends, it will be disabled automatically. This is how to disable duet option for all videos on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.